Today I'm going to teach you how to create a video using only photos. This is a style of video that is very trendy on TikTok and also on Instagram Reels. And the video that we're going to create looks like this. Here we are, closer than we ever. Today we're going to be using Canva from our phone, and we can use a Canva free account or a Canva Pro account to create these videos. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, let's go to my phone. The first step is to open Canva. From here we're going to the video section that you can find on the top of the screen. Here it is, the video section. In here we're going to search for the option that says mobile video. This is a portrait mode video, so this is exactly what we need. On this new page we're going to select blank and we're going straight to the uploads section. You will see the menu down below. We have uploads and you will upload your photos or videos with this button that we see on top that says upload media. I already uploaded the photos that I'm going to use today just to make this video faster. So I have my photos under images. Pay attention because in Canva we can upload images, we can upload videos, and we can also upload audio. So if you want to upload your own songs, your own audio, you can do it from here. Once you start uploading your photos to Canva, you will see that they will have a loading bar at the bottom of each photo. So just wait until all the photos have been uploaded fully to the app. And then when you have the photos ready, you can insert them to your design. So I'm gonna insert this one right here. I just tap on it. Now we need to stretch this photo so it covers the background of the page, and we can do it in a simple way. We can go to the menu below, slide the menu until you find the option More, and select this option that says Set Image As. Once your image is set as a background, we're going to select the thumbnail that we see at the bottom of the screen. So here it is, the thumbnail, and we're going to adjust the duration of this specific scene or section of the video. So to do this, we could simply drag this arrow until we see the desired length, which is 0.3. You can do it like this, or let me go back. You could try to find this time icon on the menu, tap here, and on this new window you could either adjust the duration with this slider or entering the length on this box. I'm gonna use the slider this time, and I'm gonna set this page to 0.3 seconds. Once you are done, you can close this window and the duration has been applied to the first section of the video. Once you are here, you could add text if you want, or leave it as it is. I'm gonna add text because I think that adds a little special touch to the video. So let's go to the plus icon that we see down below. This time select text and let's add a heading. We're gonna change the font. For this text box, I'm gonna use a font called Halemam. This one right here. Done. I'm gonna change the content of the text box to, let's say, Sunday. Let's say that I want to create a video to share the photos that I took during the Sunday. And then let's change the color to white. Now I'm gonna add another text box. So again, let's go to the plus icon. This time add a subheading. Let's bring the box down below and let's change the font as well. And this time we're going to search for Cormorant. I'm gonna go for the third option, Cormorant Garamond Medium, and then done. Let's close this window and I'm gonna change the content of this text box. So I'm gonna add the date. There we go. I'm gonna increase the size of this text box. And I'm also going to change the spacing on this text box. So let's go to spacing and add letter spacing to the date. Okay, I think this one looks good. Gonna make it a little bit smaller and closer to the text box above. And now what we can do is to simply duplicate this page because we have everything set, we have the text and we also have the page duration. So I'm selecting this thumbnail and then duplicate. Now I'm gonna select the second page and tap on the background. Now we're gonna select the option replace. I'm gonna go to the uploads section because I already have the photos that I want to use for this video in here, and I'm gonna select the next photo that I'm gonna use for this video. This one right here. And then I'm gonna continue doing the same process, basically just selecting the page, duplicate, then select the background and replace the image again and again until I have added around 17-18 photos, and then I'll see you in a bit. If you want to adjust the position of a photo, simply double tap and then from here you can move the photo and adjust the position. Select done and then you can continue working on your video. I also want to show you something here that I have been using a lot and you might find useful. It is the delete button. If you realized that you already used a photo and you want to delete it, just go to the menu below and you will see the delete button. Another button that I use a lot, it is the back or undo button. So if at any point I did something wrong, I just select, undo and go back. Something else that I used is to organize or reorganize the position of the photos. So let's say that I want to bring this photo behind. I just tap on it and drag it to the placement where I want that photo to be. And like this, I can play around with the position of the photos. I have finished setting up my 17 pages. You could add more if you want to make the video slightly longer. So now I'm going to show you how to download this video and then I'm going to show you how to add music directly from Instagram and TikTok. To download the video, select the share icon at the top of the screen. From here, select Download, MP4 Video, All Pages, and Download. We're gonna wait a couple of seconds until our video has been completely downloaded to our phone. Now I'm gonna show you how to add music from TikTok. So go to TikTok, select the post icon. From here, we're gonna upload the video that we just downloaded from Canva. We're gonna select the video and then next. In here, we're gonna tap on add sound at the top of the screen. And then we can search any song that we want to add to this video. I do suggest this song from Harry Styles, As It Was, which is very trendy at the moment. Select the song and then the check icon. And then your video is ready to be shared on TikTok. Now let me show you how it works on Instagram. Go to Instagram and select the plus icon on top of the screen. Then select Reel. Go below to select the video that you just downloaded from Canva. Here is the video that I want to use today. Add. Then we're gonna select audio. And from here we can select any of the songs that we want to attach to this video. Then select done, next, and then your video is ready to be shared on Instagram. And here is the final outcome. Here we are, closer than we ever.
Orion.